We are back on the Audi A4. We changed the oil pump last time and the light's still on. So we are back on it to change some sensors and hope that fixed the problem. So here we are. We up here at the car lot doing some work. We gotta locate the sensor. There's one right there. I know one on the oil pan. Just gotta find the other one. Taking this sensor off here and got another one right there. Had to take the belt loose. Now we're taking off the tensioner to get to the other one underneath of it. So you gotta take the belt loose, take the tensioner off, change that sensor and sensor underneath. So I said, dude, all the motors, all the cars I looked at, it only had one sensor. This year, this car, this motor, all that, it had two sensors. So I'm like, I know it, that's the right one. I'm gonna have to add another long sensor or something. He said he placed this. Oh damn. Oh, I was about to say, like, dude, where's that? I didn't see. I said, oh, that's a funny looking sensor. It does got the washer. Alright, now
I gotta get that other one.
I just don't know how to get this in there. Oh, I know how. I got it. Bigger than that. Might be this one right here. Next man. fight situation. You take your wrench, lap it on there. This is the situation for this one. Works every time. Gotta love them little tricks like that, huh? Learn tricks over the years working on cars. That car is hot. I'm showing this sensor down here. Sensor way down here. Now we can get to her. Now we can get to it. Gotta pop that wire off.
Screwdriver?
Yeah. That one up at the top was changed before, but that one down there ain't never been changed. Got the belt back on, putting this last sensor back on here. Change the sensors out. We changed the oil pump and find out they didn't change the sensors. They say they did and they didn't, so now we got here changing the sensor and hoping it fixed the problem. Probably gonna have to get the scanner out for this one.
Yeah, get the scanner out, clear it first, Matt, and then we'll start up.
I'm gonna go grab the scanner.
Head on the back, Matt. Oh, I tell you too, my dude got a Audi over there he wants us to look at too.
Oh yeah?
Thinks it's the transmission.
New. All I can do is try to change the other one. The only ones that ain't changed yet. Gotta take all that other stuff back down. I gotta find my straight where I dropped it yesterday.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, underneath the truck. I had to find it. I'll find it. I'm gonna try to do this old vacuum cleaner trick. I know it works for oil boats. I know it works for oil pan boats. You take the oil pan boat out, as long as you get the vacuum cleaner on, it works. But the sensor, it's kind of big hole. It's a kind of big hole. I don't think it's gonna hold the oil. But I'm gonna try it. Clips, boy. I'm gonna hook my camera up right here. I'll have y'all watch it for me. I'm gonna see if this vacuum cleaner does the trick. It works when you need to take the boat out and switch a new boat out or something. We're gonna see if it works for this. Hope it works. At least slow it down with her. It ain't leaking out as much. It's gonna be a pretty big hole. Well, you're gonna try. Shit. Put it in there? I hope this vacuum cleaner trick works. I believe it's too big of a hole. If it don't work, it's gonna go in the pan. Look at that, boy, the vacuum cleaner trick's working. Man, you gotta love that trick. I can't believe that worked. It didn't even drop a bit of oil nowhere. I had the oil pan there just in case. A little vacuum cleaner trick. You take the vacuum cleaner, you take out the oil right here, you put the vacuum cleaner here and turn it on. The old vacuum cleaner trick worked for that one. That was a big hole, but like that big, and it worked. Let's get back in here and see if everything's cleared out here. Where'd that key go? Get in there. I can't believe that worked, dude. That was a big hole. Alright. Let's clear it. We're gonna change the oil pump. We changed 3 sensors. Let's see if it kicks back on. Keep coming back on. The 2011 Audi A4. I done changed the oil pump, both oil pressure sensors, the oil level sensor in the bottom, and the low pressure oil light still comes on. If anybody out there know how to get that off, let me know.